Okay.
So, good morning everyone, and now we are going to tell you about mitochondria.
Speak up.
What is it, how does it work, etc. by Igor and Ricky Sanchez. So, mitochondria is an organelle that could be found in almost all eukaryotic cells, including those of plants, animals, and almost all protists. So, cell can has only one huge mitochondria, but usually it has hundreds and even thousands of little mitochondria. It depends on the activity of mitochondria. So if it's really active, it will have a lot of mitochondria, and if it's not really active, it will have less mitochondria.
And in the picture, you can see like all the different parts of the mitochondria that are labeled.
Yeah.
Such as.
Which is like the
Later, you can do that. Okay, good.
Next slide, structure and function. So the main function of the mitochondria is to generate ATP by extracting the energy from sugars, fats, and other fuels. So ATP is kind of a form of energy that cell uses for its needs. Mitochondria is made of outer and inner membranes, which made of phospholipid double layers and proteins. The outer membrane of the mitochondria covers the organelles and contains it like a skin. The inner membrane folds over many times and creates structure called crystal. So, as you can see on the picture, outer membrane is smooth and quite simple, and the inner membrane is really complicated and has lots of folds and creates a structure. Next slide.
Okay, so who it was discovered by and when? Richard Altman first discovered them in 1894 and first called them bioblasts. Later, the name was established as mitochondria. In 1898, by Carl Lavenda. Frederick Muves made the first observation of mitochondria in plants in 1904. That's a picture of Richard Altman, the man who discovered it.
Who discovered it?
And Frederick Muves made the first observation in plants. I don't know when the first one in animals was.
Exactly.
So the endosymbiotic theory. So the endosymbiotic theory is a theory that the bacteria, like when the bacteria swallowed another cell, like another cell in it was like an evolutionary theory that explains the origin of the eukaryotic cells from the prokaryotes. According to this theory, mitochondria is one of the formerly free-living bacteria that was taken inside another cell around 1.5 billion years ago. So it was taken inside from another cell and swallowed, and it became its own like cell, like its own thing. So it has different properties.